Okay guys, I'm going to be doing this roof with the NorthStar roofing machine. It cost about 500 something bucks I think I paid. I've done a lot of roofs with it, and this gets the job done. So this is the before, and like I say, all that moss is going to stay there. It's just going to be dead. You know, the SH will kill it, and then the rain will wash it off. Let me see, I can show you this roof I did about a year ago. It looked like that roof. And this roof I did about a year ago, and you can see how much better it is. All the colors come out. I actually had people think it was a new roof. So anyway, keep tuned for part 2.